How's it going out there, and welcome back for another Tiny More Tuesday. I hope you didn't miss me too much last week. I took the week off to kind of recover from that psychedelic swing mandolin solo that I played there from the Austin City Limits performance. Just like any good psychedelic trip, you have to kind of give yourself some time to come down from it, right? So this week we're steering straight back into Western swing territory with the standard tune Panhandle Rag. I based today's lesson off of a great version of Panhandle Rag that Tiny plays with the Billie Jack Wills Band featuring Vance Terry on steel guitar. There's this really cool 15-minute radio segment that Chris Clem uploaded to YouTube, link up here, that is actually not included in any of the other Billie Jack recordings that have come out on compilation CDs. And it has a really hot version of Panhandle Rag at the end of it where Tiny rips it up. Next week we're going to feature his solo, so hang around for that, okay? This radio show was actually recorded for KFCK out in Sacramento, California. Their home radio station was KFBK, but I think this was a guest appearance on another radio station. I'm sure there's someone out there that knows a heck of a lot more about that than I do. So definitely comment below if you've got some info on the history to this one. So yeah, Panhandle Rag, a super standard Western swing tune, and I think anyone should kind of have it in their back pocket. It's not very common for any other instrument to play the melody, though, other than the steel guitar. So I thought I would kind of give you a cool rendering today with some double stops that emulate what Vance is playing on the steel guitar. Alright, before we go ahead and dive into the breakdown, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to this channel and liking this video, that's a great way to help me out and keep these Tiny More Tuesdays coming your way. And also, I want to announce that I've actually started collaborating with the Swedish mandolin master and teacher Magnus Zetterlund. Today we also released a video of me playing Big Sciota on the acoustic mandolin over on his YouTube channel. So be sure to check the description below and the links at the end of this video to go check that lesson out. There's going to be more collaborations coming in the future with Mandolin Secrets, and I'm really excited about that. All right, folks, let's go ahead and dive into the breakdown, and happy picking.